In this video I'm gonna show you how to change name in Apex Legends Mobile on Android. So in order to do that, we'll need to press on our avatar icon right here, then move to the pen and paper button right here, click on it and select change name. Now keep in mind that changing name requires an item in order to do it. So right here I have one item and I'm just gonna change my name. Click OK and then accept. That way your name will be changed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.